Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share with you the September 2022 Double Shot Kit. So the Double Shot Kit is the smaller of our kits. It'll include two brand new collections. You always get patterned paper and cardstock and embellishments, everything you need to create. You also have access to two recipe cards. These are for double page layouts that our design team designs for you, and they give you their cutting and assembling instructions and then a full color photograph of the finished layout so you can create right along with them. Also, when you're a subscriber to the Scrap Room kits, you have access to a free cut file that's exclusive for our members. These are designed by Cut to You, and this month is this great sailboat with the title This Summer. So you could break this apart or use it together. Be sure to download that cut file and the recipe cards. So this month our two kits are Art Options from 49th and Market and Simple Stories Say Cheese Tomorrow at the Park. So this is their Disney collection for Tomorrowland. See a big variety here, but lots of great options for your creating. So let's dig in. We're going to take a closer look at everything that you're going to get this month. The first collection we're going to look at is Art Options from 49th and Market. This is a gorgeous floral collection, and if you're not familiar with 49th and Market, their paper is a really heavy cardstock weight. So think Cardabella, except for it doesn't have the texture. It's a smooth cardstock, but it is that heavy. Just gorgeous designs. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of walnut cream cardstock, 1 sheet of dark skies, which is a beautiful match to all of this, just so striking. Your patterned paper is this one, Exquisite. And it has the florals on both sides, kind of a ledger design on the back with text. The back side is just like a canvas type print, watercolor. Full branding strip with See the Beauty, The Right Stuff, and Fill My Heart, and those gorgeous little butterflies. The next paper is Dramatic. Again, this is another page that you could use just as it is. You could put photos in here and some journaling. You could even put the photo over here if you had a lot of journaling and fill all of this in. That beautiful mixed media design. The back is a blue and white diagonal stripe, kind of a aqua with distressing. Another full branding strip. This paper is called Flirty, and it has the butterflies and the florals over here. Again, that text throughout and the mixed media. The back is a two-toned pink, again with text, florals, kind of that canvas look. So I love that you got just some neutral tone on tones back here, and then all of these gorgeous designs that could be used just the way they are on the fronts. Gorgeous. So for your embellishments, you're going to get some of the chipboard pieces. So these down here are chipboard, and they're heavyweight chipboard, just gorgeous. So all of these will vary. And then also some of the ephemera pieces, so the die cuts. All of these are cardstock weight die cuts, heavy. And so you'll get a good representation here of what you'll get. There's some tags and some tickets, some little phrases, as well as the gorgeous florals and butterflies that you see throughout. So that is Art Options from 49th and Market. Our next collection is very different. So I had the beautiful soft florals. Now we have very graphics. This is Simple Stories Say Cheese collection. This is Tomorrow at the Park. So this is geared around the Magic Kingdom and the Tomorrowland. So it's perfect if you have those Disney photos to scrapbook. Also just any kind of boy, space, cars, zooms, any theme parks that you might have ridden rides like that, or birthday parties, or just toys and playing. There's lots of things you can document with this collection. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of black cardstock and 1 sheet of hibiscus cardstock. Your papers are this one, which is the Elements 2 paper. So you have the 4x6, 3x4, and then 2x2s as well. Again, all kind of around rockets, moons, robots, cars, little submarines. The back is this awesome paper with all of the different gears and the primary colors. This paper, Out of This World, which has all of the red lasers through the black with the white stars. The back is the solar planets on this turquoise tone-on-tone paper. It's fabulous. And then this paper is called Zoom Zoom, which has that text plus all the little cars. And the back is a tone-on-tone green with just kind of like a little starburst. So you can see, again, there's no Mickey heads. There's nothing that says that it's a Disney other than if you've been to Disney and you see the relationship with Tomorrowland. For your embellishments, you're going to get a roll of washi tape. So these will vary, but I got the one with the little bar charts and stuff on there. You're also going to receive some of the bits and pieces. Now, all of the embellishments are going to vary. You'll also receive some enamel dots, and those colors will vary. But this is a good representation. You can see more of the same thing. Rockets and this, it says tall enough, which is always fun when you go to the parks with the kids and they have to measure up. We have this, which is representative of Space Mountain. Gears, here we go, Out of This World, data input, the new little SkyTrack ride. So again, those can represent just about anything. Doesn't have to be Disney. So that is Say Cheese Tomorrow at the Park from Simple Stories. One more look at your double shot kit. Be sure to check out all the other items available in the store and check out the other kits. If you want more product, then check out our Flavors of the Month, which includes 4 different collections each month. We also have the Shots of Life, and we have lots of add-ons. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.